What's going on, realist? It's Trey.
And it's Tasha.
Man to the real, but we always keep it real. Chainsaw Man, episode 2.
Arrival in Tokyo. We don't know nothing about Chainsaw Man, so we just gonna get into it. If this made it to YouTube, full reactions on Patreon.
If. Damn.
That's what I was just thinking, like if he need blood too. Really? Not him taking a minute to get it though. That motherfucker said, dude, that's me. I'm tired. You know what's funny? I wonder if he's drawn to her like how a dog would be drawn to, like, that's what I'm saying. Since he,
Right. She want me to do it, so I'm gonna do it.
oh, I wasn't expecting that. A whelp.
Oh, he down.
Not it's nuts or nothing. Dick gonna be
That's what I'm saying, bro. I don't fight fair, bro. Don't fight me. I'm telling you, I don't fight fair.
My boy, like, I had a good meal. I ain't going.
I'm finna go back to eating bread, bitch. You crazy as hell. He keep fucking his nuts up.
Did he? Oh, that's spit. I was like, did he call for a blood from that?
He is not punching him in the face. Boy, your balls ain't no more.
Oh, they had a mission to go to.
Not the nut devil.
Not the nut devil, bro. I'm tired. Bro, this is wild. Damn. Her eyes, like, I wonder if she's a like actual human or something else. Her eyes are really different.
Yeah.
Oh, not him yelling like that. Ooh, that ume though, sir.
He has no etiquette. He doesn't know anything.
Yeah, I know, but it's just. Oh.
Now I can understand him not knowing better, but when you know what I'm saying, when you know better, you do better. Some people don't at all.
Mm. Oh.
Yeah, that bitch is.
That look like something from Rick and Morty or something that they done put up in here. Them lips hanging. Okay, but you gotta see it from my perspective too. A devil saved my life. Bruh. Bro, that is okay. This the protagonist that we got, huh? Did he? I'm sorry. See how I look at her eyes. That's why I'm like, what's up with the other chick? All she gotta do is put her hair up in the bun. Problem solved. You hear me? I'm just like,
Yeah.
if you really just wanted to, cover them up to do stuff. Oh shit. Not the games of foot. Bro. Ooh, not the sea cucumber devil, not them fingers. I'm sorry, what? Not her using her blood as a weapon, bro. That's wild. Bro, she wilding.
Shit.
The level is that? Very unique and interesting set of characters we have here so far. So of course, they have this division that is not made up stereotypically of how they would want, so they're gonna try to find a way to get them out the way. But we'll have to see what
But
happens.
they're gonna end up depending on them for everything that they truly need in the end.
It's possible. I wonder who else gonna be on the team. Pretty sure that's what they build in the team, and then maybe we'll learn more stuff. But they wild enough.
We're gonna get out of here. Full reactions are on Patreon. Thank you for the support as always.
Yes,
it's Trey
and it's Tasha.
Real.
You already watched, so you might as well subscribe, please.